In this video, we'll show you step by step how you can start your own business. The first thing that you need to understand in order to start your own business is that being a business owner and an entrepreneur, there are some risks involved. There is the risk to lose your business. There is the risk to pretty much lose your money. There is the risk that you cannot make enough money for living. But if you understand and can overcome this risk, there is an incredible journey for you. Because starting a business is not an act that you do today, but it's a long-term journey that will involve years of your life. The second thing to do is to choose your niche, shows what you like, shows the marketplace that you like. If you enjoy fitness, health and workout, just make sure to do the right business model inside that industry. And don't go maybe on fishing, don't go on website development or other stuff, but really go in the industry that you really like. Because if not, you will end up hating your business and you will not make money. Then, once you find the marketplace, understand if you wanna sell an existing product or service, or if you wanna go and create something new, a new service, a new product for the people. If you choose something that is already available on the marketplace, you will have less opportunities, but you are sure that the product works and you already know it because other people buy it from other companies. It can be to your local city or in other countries. But if you go for something new, something brand new, just created by yourself, you need to do a little research before and understand if there will be demand and if people will buy it, because nowadays there are just few stuff that are new and really people cannot create something new because everything was already created. And then once you have made this decision, the next step is to go online and follow a ton of successful people that are already doing what you do, and they are maybe sharing tips on YouTube, on social media, and they are giving you advices on how you can start, improve and really get better at your business and all the tips, tricks inside your industry. And then you need to invest to grow yourself, grow your mindset, grow your business, invest in ads, invest in meeting new people to learn and meeting new people as potential clients. And remember that the only way to charge a lot of money for your product or service is to have an incredible service. Because the difference between a 5-star hotel and a 1-star hotel is the service and the quality of the stuff that you find inside. So make sure to grow your mindset in order to succeed, because if you will not grow your mindset, your business and your life will be stuck and will never grow. And if you're interested to know how to get the success mindset so you can achieve pretty much every goal in every industry, I've created a little premium course that you find in the first link on the description, where I share all my tips that have created me a successful social media marketing agency in just more than 1 year. But remember to invest in the company. When you will make money, reinvest that money into your company to promote yourself and pretty much grow all the company. Because if you will take the money that you make on your business and just go on party and buy supercars, you will pretty much take resources away from your business and your business will die. But if you keep reinvesting, your business will get stronger every month. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Click the red button to subscribe, and if you're interested to know more about business, entrepreneurship and the right mindset, click the next video right here. I see you there.